Good morning, children. As we have already completed the explanation of sensory organ, lesson number sensory organ we have already completed ना, तो हम लोग ये लेक्चर में क्या करेंगे, कंबाइंड बुक का नोट्स देंगे. चलो कंबाइंड बुक निकालो, पेज नंबर 72, sensory organs. Okay, first question, fill in the blanks. Our eyes tell us how dash something is. dash में लिखो beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Our eyes tell us how beautiful something is. B, our ears tell us which direction a dash is coming from. dash में लिखो sound, sound, sound. Question number C. The smell tell us that the air is dash. dash में लिखो pure, 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 or impure, impure, impure. The cell वापस repeat कर रही हूँ. The smell tell us that the air is pure or impure. Okay. Now come to question number D. Dash tell us that something is hot. dash में लिखो skin, skin, skin. E में लिखने क्वेश्चन है a tongue feel as it is burning when we eat a dash. dash में लिखो chilli, chilli, chilli. A tongue feels as it is burning when we eat a chilli. Okay. Now question number 2. Which sensory organ give you the following information? आपको कौन सा चीज़ खाने से कैसे मालूम पड़ता है, कौन सा ऑर्गन आपको बताता है, वो हमें इसमें लिखना है. फर्स्ट ए, द गवा इज स्वीट. उसका आंसर है टंग, TONGUE, टंग. कम टू बी, द कुकू इज सिंगिंग ऑन द ट्री आउटसाइड. उसका आंसर है ईयर्स, EARS, ईयर्स. देन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. द सनफ्लावर इज येलो. आंसर है उसका आइस, EYES, eyes. Then come to question number D. The incense stick has a nice fragrance. उसका आंसर लिखो nose, NOSE, nose. Question number E. The medicine is bitter. आंसर लिखो tongue, TONGUE, tongue. Now come to question number F. The towel is rough. Last answer is skin, SKIN, skin. Okay. Now question number 3. What can be done? Dinner is ready and mother had asked Sakina to call grandpa, but grandpa cannot hear at all. How will Sakina tell him to come? उसका आंसर लिखो by, by, using USING, using sign, 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 language, LANGUAGE, language. Question number 4. How will you know that yesterday yogurt is spoiled? It cannot be eaten. आंसर लिखो by, the, the, smell, 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 that, that, comes, 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 out, 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 of, of, yogurt, YOGHURT, yogurt, tells, 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 YOU, that, 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 it, it, cannot, 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 BEB, eaten, EATEN, eaten. वापस बोल रही हूँ. By the smell that comes out of the yogurt tells you that it cannot be eaten. वो पेज का कंबाइंड बुक का नोट्स पूरा हो गया. टर्न योर पेज. नेक्स्ट पेज देना है 73. उसका नोट्स चालू होगा. गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन. Page number 73, question number 5. Some ingredients we use in the kitchen are named below. What are their colors? उसका कलर लिखना है. फर्स्ट ए है टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक माने हल्दी. हल्दी का कौन सा कलर रहता है? येलो, YELLOW, येलो. सेकेंड वाला है राइप चिल्ली. चिल्ली माने मिर्ची. उसका आंसर लिखो ग्रीन, GREEN, ग्रीन, स्लैश रेड, RED, रेड. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. कोरेंडर लीव्स. कोरेंडर लीव्स माने धनिया, हरा धनिया. कौन सा कलर करता है वो? ग्रीन, GREEN, ग्रीन. देन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, दैट इज सॉल्ट. नमक कौन से कलर का रहता है बेटा? वाइट, WHITE, वाइट. Then come to question number E. An unripe टोमेटो. आंसर लिखो येलोइश. YELLOWISH. येलोइश. Now come to question number 6. Name the part of our body that you use while playing cricket. आंसर है उसका eyes, EYES eyes, ears, EARS ears, hand, HAND hand, comma, legs, LEGS legs, etc. आंसर वापस बोलो eyes, ears, hand, leg, etc. बेटा पिक्चर नंबर 7 का एक्टिविटी है. मैं स्पेलिंग नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि मैंने टेस्ट में सब किया है, और जब फोटो भेजूंगी तब स्पेलिंग देख के लिख लेना है. मैं कल एक बार रीड करूँगी. नेम द थिंग इन द पिक्चर फ्रॉम देयर आउटलाइन. फर्स्ट वाला है काइट, सेकेंड वाला मेज, फिर एरो, मून, एक्सी, स्वॉर्ड, हैट, अम्ब्रेला. बी में है नेम द थिंग्स इन द पिक्चर. वो है ऑरेंज, पोस्ट बॉक्स, क्रो, रेनबो, लैंटर्न. फिर क्या है लास्ट वाला वर्ड, क्या है दिख रहा है अपने को, टोमेटो. स्टिमुलेटिव असेसमेंट में आ जाना है. डिफाइन साइन लैंग्वेज. आंसर लिखो. Eat, IT eat, is a, means 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 of communication, COMMUNICATIONS communications, where WHERE where, VWEV use use, sign SIGN sign, and AND and, body BODY body, language LANGUAGE language, to communicate, COMMUNICATE communicate. It is a means of communication where we use sign and body language to communicate. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी में आ जाओ. सेंसरी ऑर्गन. लिखो आंसर. ANN organ, ORGAN organ, that that tells, TELLS tells, about, ABOUT about, our, our, surrounding, SURROUNDING surrounding, RARAR called, CALLED called, sensory, SENSORY. Organs, ORGANS organs. For example, eyes, EYES eyes, ears, EARS ears, nose, NOSE nose, tongue, TONGU tongue, and 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 skin. Okay, तो ये पे उसके पेज का भी नोट्स पूरा हो गया. Now you will take a new page, that is page number 74. पेज नंबर 74 का मैं आंसर बोल रही हूँ. 73 का जो लास्ट का आंसर है उसका आधा आंसर पेज नंबर 74 पे है. मैंने बोला है वो सुनो, और पिक्चर्स देखूंगी तो डालूंगी, आप देख लेना. ठीक है. नाउ पेज नंबर 74, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस. इन समर हाउ कैन वी टेल विदाउट इवन लुकिंग आउटसाइड दैट इट इज अ रेनिंग नियर बाय. आंसर लिखो. बिकॉज, BECAUSE बिकॉज, the rain, RAIN rain, what, WATER water, when, WHEN when, mixes, MIXEX mixes, with, WITH with, the dry, DRY dry, mud, MUD mud, eat, IT gives, GIVES gives us, muddy, MUDDY muddy, smell, SMELL smell. आंसर है because the rain water when mixes with the dry mud it gives us muddy smell. Question number B. What will be the benefit of knowing the direction from which a sound comes? आंसर लिखो. It makes, MAKES makes us, us alert, ALERT alert, before, BEFORE before, hand, HAND hand, it makes us alert beforehand. Now come to question number 3. Explain each sensory organ and write its uses. First है eyes. आंसर लिखो. It it is with 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 our our eyes eyes that 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 we can can see SEEC comma it tells 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 the color COLOUR color and and shape 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 of anything ANYTHING anything. वापस बोल रही हूँ, आंसर लिखो. It is with our eyes that we can see comma it tells a color and shape of anything. B ears. WEV ear HEAR ear with 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 our our ears EARS ears. It tells 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 us us from 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 which 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 direction 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 the sound 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 is coming 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 from FROM comma it also 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 tells 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 us whether 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 the sound 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 is sweet 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 or hard HARD hard. वापस बोल रही आंसर. We hear with our ears. It tells from which direction the sound is coming from. It also tells us whether the sound is sweet or hard. Now come to question number C. Nose. देखो आंसर. WEV smell 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 with 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 nose 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 comma it helps 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 us to smell 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 things 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 around 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 us we smell with nose. It helps us to smell things around us. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर डी पे आ जाओ. वो है टंग. देखो आंसर. WEV टेस्ट TASTE टेस्ट with 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 ROUR our tongue 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 full stop. It helps 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 us to tell 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 us whether 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 the food 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 is bitter 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 comma tasty 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 comma sour 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 comma hot 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 comma etc ETC etc. वापस आंसर बोल रही सुनो. We taste with our tongue. It helps us to tell us whether the food is bitter, tasty, sour, hot, etc. Now come to question number E. Skin. आंसर लिखो. WEV come 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 to know 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 if something 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 WEV touch 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 is hot 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 or cold 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 comma rough 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 or smooth 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 comma because 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 of our our skin SKIN skin. आंसर बोल रही वापस. We come to know if something we touch is hot or cold, rough or smooth because of our skin. जो कंबाइंड बुक 74 का भी नोट्स पूरा हो गया. नाउ विल टेक दिस पेज नंबर 75. Number 75, question number 4. Answer the following question. A. How are the two hands used while roasting peanut? Answer लिखो. Head, HEAD, head. Is, bent, BENT, bent. Forward, FORWARD, forward. The, the person, PERSON, person. Is, holding, HOLDING, holding. The, the pan, PAN, pan. Steady, STEADY, steady. With, WITH, with. The, the tongs, TONGS, tongs. In, her, HGR, her. Left, LEFT, left. Hand, 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 full stop. With, WITH, with. The, spectacle, SPAT. Spatula in her right, spatula, SPATULA, spatula. In, her, HER, her. Right, RIGHT, right. Hand, HAND, hand. Steering, STIRRING, steering. The, the peanut, PEANUT, peanut. In, the, the pan, PAN, pan. वापस बोल रही हूँ. Head is bent forward. The person is holding the pan steady with the tongs in her left hand with the spatula in her right hand, stirring the peanut in the pan. Question number B. What is meant by sensory organs? Answer लिखो. ANN, organ, ORGAN, organ. That, THAT, that. Tells, TELLS, tells us, us. About, ABOUT, about. The, the surrounding, 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 full stop. It, it. Is, our, our. Eyes, EYES, eyes. Ears, EARS, ears. Nose, NOSE, nose. Tongue, TONGUE, tongue. And AND, skin, SKIN, skin. Question number C. वापस बोलो आंसर. An organ that tell us about the surrounding. It is our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Question number C. What helps do we get from our sensory organ? Answer लिखो. Eyes, EYES, eyes. FOR, for. Seeing, SEEING, seeing. Comma. Ears, EARS, ears. FOR, for. Hearing, HEARING, hearing. Comma. Nose, NOSE, nose. FOR, for. Smelling, SMELLING, smelling. Comma. Tongue, TONGUE, tongue. For, for. Tasting, TASTING, tasting. Comma. Skin, SKIN, skin. For, for. Feeling, FEELING, feeling. हो गया. Eyes for seeing, ears for hearing, nose for smelling, tongue for tasting, skin for feeling. Now question number D. Why is coordination necessary? Answer लिखो. WEV, need, NEED, need. Coordination, COORDINATION, coordination. To, get, GET, get. ANY, any. Task, TASK, task. Done, DONE, done. Smoothly, SMOOTHLY, smoothly. Comma. Lack, LACK, lack. Off. Coordination, COORDINATION, coordination. Gives, GIVES, gives. A. Rise, RISE, rise. To. Mistake, MISTAKE, mistake. Or hurdles, HUDDLES, hurdles means रुकावट. वापस बोल रही हूँ आंसर. We need coordination to get any tasks done smoothly. Lack of coordination gives a rise to mistake or hurdles. Come to question number 5. That is the last question of your combined book of this lesson. वो है write short note on coordination in our movement. आंसर है V carry, CARRY carry, out OUT out, many MANY many, task TASK task, for for every, EVERY every, task TASK task, VWV make, MAKE make, different 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 kinds, KINDS kinds of movements, MOVEMENTS movements, full stop, VWEV use, use, different DIFFERENT different, parts, PARTS parts of our, our, body, BODY body, for this, THESC this, different DIFFERENT different, movements, MOVEMENTS movements. We आंसर बोल रही वापस सुनो. We carry out many tasks. For every task we make different kinds of movement. We use different parts of our body for this different movement. Now come to question number B. Overcoming disability. आंसर लिखो. Some, SOM some, disabilities, DISABILITIES abilities, can, can, BE corrected, CORRECTED corrected, by medical, MEDICAL medical, treatment, TREATMENT treatment, full stop, in some, SOME some, matter, MATTER matter, VWEV can, can, take, TAKE take, the help, HELP of, other, OTHER other, people, PEOPLE people, comma, some, SOME some, device, DEVICE device, can, can, BE used, USED used, to overcome, OVER overcome, COME come, disability, DISABILITY disability. वापस बोल रही सुनो. Overcoming disability का आंसर. Some disability can be corrected by medical treatment. In some matter we can take the help of other people. Some device can be used to overcome disability. So your combined book notes are over. Start planning your notes now. Okay. Stay home. Stay safe. Number 7.